That is the oil pump, I think, burning out. The spark plug just in number 4. What the fuck have I bought? Oh fuck, they're actually following us.
You're right back there. It finally fit.
Yes, boys, we got bits for the red car. It's coming. It's coming back. Oh, why?
Mate, no! It's got a chav pipe on it.
Is it recording? Just going to take this old tape recorder video. Look at the roads. Look, the skid marks. There's absolute hooliganism up in this part of the...
To be fair, love, there's skid marks in your underwear too.
How do you get a machine to do that? Oh, fuck. Yes, bro.
Gonna go to that AFL mega store.
To explain to you what we've bought, we have got ourselves a boot lid, a full 160 exhaust, full 160 421 manifold and sports cab for the rally car, and a boot lid YouTuber. These are what's left of the car. The car was rotten. This is what's left. We've got all the bits.
Bro.
What? No! No, not my fucking nice bumper. I love this car actually. I do like it. I also saved this one from a bush.
Yeah.
I saved that one from a bush as well.
Have you got my chicken?
Stop fucking scratching like a heroin addict. My chicken. Wait, tight melon.
One. I'm gonna snap your little finger.
Tis your boyd. Tis your boyd bar. Nothing like eating an absolute belter of a meal with these hands. Check out the fucking spliff that they give you.
Mate.
It's your boy, Bibbidi. I'm stuck.
Pretty sure I just walked into a random charity event. Mine?
What are you doing? Why? Where did you get that from? We've got to drive out like a grandma so they don't erase suspicion.
Quick, lads.
Oh fuck, they're actually following us. I felt like we almost got abducted. So we were stupid, we didn't know that there was a light on in there. But the guy said, oh yeah, the MGZR pits, yeah, they're in the back area of the unit. We're like, okay, there's like this small little fucking dungeon area. It's completely black. Like driving manual, it's easy. DSG, did he come? Fuck! Brother just ran the red light.
Bro.
Excuse me? No. Time to hype yourself up now. I've pulled the camera out. So the red ZR's coming down here at some point. We've now got a boot lid, driver's side door, and a passenger side door, and an exhaust system. Another one for that one.
Propane,
Holy
shit!
Put it back in. So we've got ourselves an engine. I am fucking merging into oncoming traffic. Do I risk it? AC on. Oh.
Sharp left onto Coingleven Road.
Down there, yeah. Left, tune in. Good old fucking Welsh roads. I have acquired an engine. I don't know what that was going to be on the front of it. Maybe like a different dipstick or something like that. Anyway, whatever. Anyway, it's here now. I'm still yet to get like an engine holder for this. I forgot what the name is. I've bought one. I just need to go and collect it for this one. I haven't done that yet. So yeah. Nor do I think there'll be enough room in here with James Murray subwoofer anyway.
Engine knock, mate. Are you holding it from the bottom? Just hold it from the top.
Fine, and I'll hold it from the top
There
then.
we go. the most fucking autistic shit.
Dude, you know I engine swap this? They're not like that. That's my piss bottle.
It's not.
Yeah, it's my piss bottle.
Piss in there.
Yes, there. That's mine and Sam's piss.
Shut up.
Hey, dude, late nights in the garage. You've got to do what you got to do.
Right, there's clear water. Your piss is brown.
There we go. Stay. You see that?
Bloody hell.
These really don't weigh much. No, completely aluminium.
Quite a little fella that knew. Yeah. It sold a bent fucking con rod.
That's why it's already marked number 4. Isn't it?
Number 4 is the piston that exploded. Bro just collapsed his shit.
My own self. We'll have a smell when we open it up. This engine hasn't been ran in some time. That's all I know.
If only you knew how to talk to girls.
Bruh. Yes, me when I'm so good. You know what? I'm gonna call it tonight.
Call her tonight. Call her tonight like there's a number to call.
There's no number to call.
No one on the end of the line.
Bro's calling 999.
It's supposed to 111 or whatever.
It's not the COVID testing one.
No, it's the crisis hotline, you fucking wet wipe.
I might be calling this number and it's just a few screw turns away.
What the fuck is
Holy
this?
shit.
Bro.
That's fucking new.
What the fuck?
That's brand new. Oh, you can go back
fine.
in. It's brand new. And it's an actual, like, that's not a cheap eBay part either.
That will live and die there.
Oh my god, look, that's actually fucking well nice. Alright, someone's properly been in here and taken care of this. What the fuck have I bought? There's a fucking spark plug in there. There's not a spark plug in any of the other ones, right? But it's also good to mention the number 4. Just fucking labelled. And there's a spark plug just in number 4.
That is the sound of
Imminent failure. That is the oil pump, I think. It's burning out.
this. Oh, it problem solved itself.
Fuck, dude, what was that? Let's just say for the camera's sake, I was turning this back over because this engine was out of time. And I was rotating it to the closest point back to its timing mark. And I heard a noise, I slipped, and it got free again. These exhaust valves are fine. It's kind of hard to show with the camera, but they're fine on the exhaust side, which could mean that it's inlet side. So we have to have a look, aren't we? It's only an intake valve. You don't have to worry about it. I don't even need to put like a song over this. This song is just perfect. See, when this song comes on, it makes everything better. And I have to strip the engine down, but I've got the song playing, so it's just a little bit of a, you know, it's a little bit of a jiggle. We pulled plug number 4 out of the engine. You can see it's been running a little bit hot. Burn's been good on it though, so that's one good thing. But yeah, it looks like it's been running a little bit hot there. I'm just procrastinating having to spin this whole engine around, so. All smells nice, not funky. They all look good. And that one looks good. Oh my fucking god. Oh, fucking hell, we're good. We're fucking good, boys. False alarm. I've either gone and I've clipped myself on the plastic, but all the valves are there. We're not missing a valve, boys. Good little nugget. We're all good. I was getting stressed off me fucking titties.
He's had so many mechanical issues and just sheer bad luck over the last couple of seasons. It's great to see the car finally getting down track.